All right, y'all, so I'm in the training room once again. We have a new franchise owner starting. I think a couple new franchise owners starting soon, so it's kind of a mess because we're putting their starter kits together while they're cleaning chemicals and their kits. But we're also putting together some movie boxes. As you guys know, we filmed a documentary about the company, how it started, and the Stowe family. And not everyone could make it to our live premiere, so we decided that we're gonna premiere it on YouTube. It's probably already premiered by the time you're seeing this video. So go watch it. But to promote the video and invite people to watch it on YouTube, we decided to create these movie boxes, these mailer boxes that have some goodies in them. So I'm gonna show you what they look like. So here's the box. We got them custom made with our branding. And when open one, this is what they're gonna look like for our customers and franchise owners. We have some popcorn and candy, because what's a movie without popcorn and candy? And then a movie poster, and then on top we have instructions for how to watch the premiere on YouTube, and then just an invitation card here that has a QR code to join.
So on my way to Lift Coffee. It's a short walk from OptiClean headquarters to Lift. Just gonna grab a vanilla latte and then head back to the office. So there's a few coffee shops located near OptiClean headquarters. Lift specifically is a roastery too, so they've got freshly roasted coffee that they're using. It's really good, so should be a good coffee run.
All right, so we're in our filming room and we're going to be filming some Train With Us videos for our YouTube channel. So this is what our setup currently looks like. We have the backdrop pull downs, desk to sit at and film at, and then we have our light and our camera set up here. We just recently got a teleprompter so that we can create scripts and play them, so it looks like this, and then you can read it. From there mirrors the screen. So yeah, we're all set and about to film. Behind the scenes of Train With Us on YouTube. Matt, what videos are we filming today?
We are filming how to bid janitorial services. We are filming how to close a deal. And then finally, we are going to film how to overcome the stigma of being a janitor or being in the janitorial industry. So it should be fun. We're gonna have a good time. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to bid commercial cleaning jobs to help grow your business. That's it for the video. If you enjoyed what you just watched, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time. Okay, let's see what it looks like in the stuff. Yeah. You know you're laughing.